Hello everyone, this is Miraj. Welcome to another video. So today, me and one of a friend just got into this hotel. The hotel name is Windy Terrace. It is located in Cox's Bazar. So we just came here. We are here for one night. So we booked this hotel from gojan.com. The room cost almost $30, I suppose. So let's see what the room offers. Okay. There are twin beds there. You can see there are two beds. Beds are very comfy. So, and background is also pretty good. And there are good painting there, as you can see. There is a sofa. You can relax. And there is a small table. Also, there is a desk, working desk and chair, which is pretty comfortable. Yeah, you can work there, and there are some hotel main there. So, and pretty big LCD displays, I think. Okay, good big TV, and a mini bar there, which is pretty good. You can keep there the drinks and etc. And electric kettle. You can make your tea here. And coffee also, sorts of things. Okay. Also, shoe rack there, and so you can put your shoes here. It's beautiful painting also. So, yeah, pretty good. And be wardrobe. You can put your dresses here, or with a lighting. It's also very good. Now, I'll show you. Washroom here. Washroom is also pretty clean, as you can see. Okay, a big commode, and there is a mirror there, secondary mirror, which is pretty innovative idea, I think. And there is a hair dryer, which is also very good, and all sorts of cosmetics like shower gel, shampoo, body lotion, and dental kit. Yeah, everything available here, and mini shower. You can see pretty clean. So in this price, I think it is very affordable, and everything is quite modern. Also towel available and everything you can see. So I think with this price, if you wanna take this hotel, I think it will be a good choice. So see you later in the next part of the video. Hope you join till the end. So see you later, okay? There is a rooftop swimming pool. The view is pretty good, as you can see. Although the water was very cold, so I was quite hesitant to get down. So as you can see, it's very cold. So, but the view is very good. After that, we went to lunch in this hotel. The hotel is very famous. Its name is Poushi. It was not quite busy, but we ordered some foods, plate of smashed curry. There are 7 to 8 items maybe. Most of them are pretty tasty. As you can see, we also ordered some fishes, loita fry. The food quality is pretty good. Okay. Later, we went to beaches, and there on the route we can see the place is called Kakra Beach, which is Kakra means crab. The red dots there are crabs. Okay, it's quite funny. As you move on, they hide in their holes. As you can see, there you see, quite funny. Okay, we enjoyed a lot with them. Okay, so. Oh, that one is tomato, not crab. one of them was hiding. My friend thought it was dead, so he just put a stick and oh yeah, it's not dead. Oh, it was quite funny. Okay, so then we visit this beach, which is called Jhawan Beach. It is near to Himsori. The beach is very wide open, and the visitors, it was not crowded, so you can enjoy and relax here. It is pretty good. See, we took some pictures. It is on sunset time, so yeah, very good view. Also, there is a paragliding zone there. I think they were enjoying their best time. You see? Okay, so this is our hotel. This is the entrance. As you can see, windy terrace. It is pretty decorated and neat and clean. They maintain good standard, I think. Lots of sofas and bushes there, and see good lighting, which is pretty good. Then in the morning we went for breakfast items there: salad, parathas, curries, dals. This is khichuri, and this is chicken curry. There you can see there are teas and other stuffs. There's lemon juice. Maybe there is mango juice. This corner there are breads and other stuff with jams and jellies. And then egg fry and soup. So yeah, lots of items. I take almost every items, and I have tested all of them. Yeah, it was quite tasty. So after Cox's Bazar, we went to Mirinja Valley, which is just 2 hours journey from the Cox's Bazar. This is located in Bandarbon district. Here you get to see some extraordinary views of mountains and valleys. It was wonderful. We enjoyed barbecue dinner with some of friends, and in the night we enjoyed a lot. We played some cards. As you can see, in the morning, this is from my room. This is a June house with a balcony, and in front of us you can see a great view. I think you're gonna love this place. I'm sorry I couldn't get up in the morning. The morning view was better. Yeah, it was a good place. The room cost around 20 USD with foods for 2 persons. So it was pretty economic. Okay. Enjoyed some time there, and when we come back, we miss this place a lot. I think we're gonna come there. We're gonna go there later. And when we are coming back, a road accident took place, so it was quite unfortunate, as you can see. Anyway, on the route we are coming back, we took Chader Gari. As I said, this is called Vehicle of the Moon, and the road was quite good for a hillside road, okay, and I was in the front seat because for shooting purpose, and my friends and other group was behind, and they were cheering and just singing, so they were enjoying a lot. And you can see there are mirrors in the, you can see it is good for avoiding accidents. Yeah, this corner, okay. So that's all. I hope it was useful, and write down in the comments enjoyed that. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, this is Mira signing out.